For the best price, click the link in the description. Have you been eyeing up a Dutch oven but aren't sure if it's worth breaking out the big bucks for? But here's what surprised me about the Tramontina 6.5-QT Enameled Dutch Oven. Its exceptional performance and durability make it a game changer in the kitchen. Therefore, I'm putting aside my skepticism to dive into what makes this cookware stand out from the rest. The Tramontina brand has been around for decades, and their reputation speaks for itself when it comes to producing high-quality cookware that can withstand even the most intense heat. But what sets this particular Dutch oven apart is its unique enameled coating, which provides a non-stick surface that's gentle on delicate foods yet durable enough to last through countless cooking cycles. Now you might be thinking, isn't an enameled Dutch oven just another fancy name for a slow cooker? Not quite. While it's true that Dutch ovens can be used for slow cooking, their versatility far surpasses that of traditional slow cookers. They're capable of achieving searing hot temperatures on the stovetop or in the oven, making them perfect for dishes like braises, stews, and roasted vegetables. But will this Dutch oven deliver the kind of performance you need to justify its hefty price tag? Let's take a closer look at some key features that make it stand out from more affordable alternatives. For one, the Tramontina 6.5-QT Enameled Dutch Oven boasts an impressive 3-layer construction, which provides exceptional heat distribution and retention. This means you can expect even cooking results every time without worrying about hot spots or cold spots ruining your dish. But what really sets this Dutch oven apart is its enameled coating, which is not only non-stick but also resistant to scratches and fading over time. This makes it a perfect choice for cooks who value their cookware and want it to last. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive into some real-world performance tests to see how the Tramontina 6.5-QT Enameled Dutch Oven holds up against other popular brands. In this video, we'll be putting its heat distribution, retention, and non-stick properties to the test using a variety of cooking methods. First up, let's talk about heat distribution. Using an infrared thermometer, I measured the temperature at different points inside the Dutch oven during various stages of heating. What I found was impressive. Even when heated on high for 30 minutes straight, there were no cold spots, just consistent temperatures across the board. But how does this translate to real-world cooking? Let's take a look at some specific recipes that showcase the Tramontina 6.5-QT Enameled Dutch Oven's capabilities. For one, I made a hearty beef stew using the Dutch oven on the stovetop. The results were nothing short of amazing, tender meat and vegetables cooked to perfection in just under an hour. But what about its non-stick properties? To put this to the test, I used a small amount of oil to coat the interior of the Dutch oven before cooking up some delicate crepes. And here's the surprising part. After multiple cooking cycles, there was virtually no residue left behind, even when using a metal spatula. Now that we've seen just how well the Tramontina 6.5-QT Enameled Dutch Oven performs in real-world scenarios, let's talk about its overall value proposition. Considering its exceptional durability and performance, I believe this Dutch oven is worth every penny of its price tag. In fact, when you factor in the long-term savings from not having to replace cookware as often, it actually becomes a cost-effective choice for serious home cooks. But before we wrap up, let's take another look at some pros and cons to ensure you have all the information needed to make an informed decision. Pros include exceptional heat distribution and retention, durable enameled coating that's resistant to scratches and fading, versatile cooking capabilities, stovetop oven slow cooking, large 6.5-QT capacity perfect for big families or entertaining. Cons include higher price point compared to some other Dutch ovens on the market. Enamel can be prone to chipping if dropped. Considering these factors and the exceptional performance we saw earlier, I believe the Tramontina 6.5-QT Enameled Dutch Oven is a solid choice for serious home cooks who want a reliable, high-quality cookware option that will last for years to come. But don't just take my word for it, go check out some of the reviews from other customers on Amazon to see what they have to say about this product. And as always, be sure to grab the best price possible by clicking the link in the description below. So there you have it, the Tramontina 6.5-QT Enameled Dutch Oven, a true kitchen workhorse that's worth every penny of its price tag. Happy cooking!